A crossover cable is a type of Ethernet cable used to connect two similar devices directly without a switch or a hub. What is a crossover cable? In a normal Ethernet cable, straight through, the wires inside are arranged on the same both ends. In a crossover cable, the transmit TX and receive RX wires are switched cross so the device can communicate directly. When is it used? It is used to connect computer to computer, switch to switch, hub to hub, router to router. Advantages: direct connection, no need for switch, simple setup for small network, useful for testing and file sharing between two PCs. Disadvantages: not practical for large network, mostly replaced by modern devices with auto MDI, MDX automatic detection. Conclusion: a crossover cable is an Ethernet cable designed to connect similar devices directly by crossing the transmit and receive wires. It is commonly used for small or temporary network connection. And the next is straight through cable. Straight through cable.
Straight-through cable is a type of Ethernet cable used in computer networking. It is called straight-through because the arrangement of the colored wires on one end of the cable is exactly the same on the other end. It follows either the T568A to T568A or T568B to T568B wiring standard. This this cable is used to connect different type of devices in a network. For example, it connects a computer to a switch, a computer to a hub, or a router to a switch. Networking devices from companies like Cisco System and Netgear commonly use straight-through cable. Why is it important? Straight-through cable are important because they allow devices in a local area network or LAN to communicate and share data as files, printers, and internet connection. Advantages. Advantages. It is simple and easy to use. It is commonly available. It works with most modern network working devices. Disadvantages. Disadvantages. It cannot directly connect similar devices like PC to PC without a switch. It has a maximum length limit of 100 meters. Conclusion. The straight-through cable is an important tool in a computer networking. It is used to connect different devices such as computers, switches, and routers so they can communicate and share information properly. Because of its simple wiring and common use, it is one of the most widely used cables in a local area network. Understanding how it works help us set up and maintain a proper network connection. 요즘 따라 And that's all. Thank you for watching.